In a nice warm environment down here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico at the Winter Management Conference. If you're a small business owner, this is a great place to be. You know, back in 2007 was my first year here, and I met Ron Keith, who is a pretty influential person in the industry and has been very influential in my life. And I never would have met him if I didn't come to this type of thing. And I wouldn't have even been in the same crowd with him, you know, necessarily. He has a much larger business than I do, but that turned out to be a very influential person in my life.
Big time.
I'm sitting here with Eric Peterson with Arbor Risk, and he happens to be my insurance agent. And Eric, why don't you speak a little bit to the power of insurance and what you do?
Yeah, absolutely. And I agree with you completely. The Winter Management Conference has been a game changer for us too, just to meet people within the industry. So
yeah,
take that advice and show up next year. So, but at Arbor Risk, what we really want to do is help tree care companies lower claims, lower accidents, so that they pay lower insurance. If they have less claims, less accidents, they pay less, they're going to be more profitable, they're going to have a better business, less headaches. Everybody wins with that. So that's plain and simple.
We've gotten a discount on 2 audits in a row. That's pretty big.
Right. Yes, and we're proud when that happens. That's what we want to see. So plain and simple, we help the companies take care of the kind of the back stuff, the policies, procedures, the safety admin side of things, so that you can focus on what you do and not have to worry about that stuff.
Right. And so what are kind of the minimum requirements necessary for somebody to get insurance with Arbor Risk?
Yeah, so we represent a number of different insurance companies. We're an agency first, so we represent you, the customer. And really what we want to do is make sure that you're committed to having a safe, profitable, and professional business. The insurance companies that we work with do have requirements to having a certified arborist on staff, making sure you do the written safety program and doing those things in place. So if you haven't gone down that path yet, certainly start that, get signed up for the exam. We can get you started with that if you've committed to the process. It's a big thing for the insurance companies to know that you are committed to that professionalism, and that it's kind of the best checkpoint for them to know, hey, this company, this individual is dedicated, wants to do the right things, wants to learn, wants to keep educating themselves, because it's the mindset that they're looking for. If you have that mindset, like you always talk about, the abundance mindset, you're going to keep going, and you're going to keep growing, and you're going to keep professionalizing. So that translates directly to your insurance premiums, and those insurance companies offer better rates because of it.
Yeah, and I know association with organizations like TCIA are important, and ISA, but I noticed, you know, we just found your website where you've kind of expanded the safety manual and done some great things, and we actually integrated that into our we're an accredited company through TCIA, but some of the stuff Eric's doing is helping us streamline some of our materials for that. So explain that a little bit.
I appreciate that. Really, we want to say we take great companies and help them become extraordinary. You guys are already doing a ton of great stuff. We just could hopefully help fine tune a few things. And we've built a ton of resources that surround our big 3: safety culture, injury management, and driver management. Those are the 3 areas that drive claims that we see in our office that unfortunately then negatively affect your premium.
Right.
And your stress levels and your business, your profitability. So if you focus on those big 3 areas of your business, you're going to be better off. So that's what our website does. It's for our clients only, that has templates, workbooks, programs, all that stuff that can help them either self-work through it, or you can hire us separately to work it one-on-one if you needed that. If you don't have the team internally, we can do that for you. So yeah, it's been
awesome.
wonderful. It's been awesome.
Well, great. I've had a lot of people reach out to me about starting their own business, or they've already done it. They've already made the leap and they want to get in. I know Eric was telling me, certified arborist is a requirement. Well, if you've got your time in, your 3 years requirement before you can take the test, get registered for the test and you can get in the insurance process. So it's not necessarily that you have to be there. It might be a great catalyst to move you to that level and get you certified and start getting you to be a legitimate business.
Yes, and I appreciate all the work that you do and
bet.
helping the industry out. It's been wonderful to watch you grow and your influence and your network. So thanks for letting us be part of it.
Yeah, well, thanks for coming on, and Game of Trees, we're having fun, and get yourself insured, and these are the guys you want to be with.